In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a form on your homepage using our Intuitive Forms app. This process is straightforward and will have you up and running in no time. Let's dive into it. First and foremost, make sure that the Forms app is already installed on your homepage. This is essential because without it, we won't be able to proceed with creating a form. If you haven't installed the Forms app yet, I recommend pausing this video and doing so before continuing. It's typically located in your website's app or plugin store, and a quick search for Forms should bring it up instantly. Once the installation is complete, you're ready to move forward. With the Forms app installed, the next step is to open it up and get started on actually building your form. You need to locate and click on the option labeled Create Form. This option is usually quite prominent on the main screen of the Forms app, designed to let you dive right into the creation process without any hassle. Clicking here is like opening the door to the creative world of form making, where you get to tailor exactly what you need for your website. Now that you've clicked Create Form, you'll be prompted to make some initial choices regarding the type of form you'd like to build. You have two main types to choose from: pop-up or inline. A pop-up form might be more engaging if you want to capture your visitor's attention immediately, as it can appear right over the web page. On the other hand, inline forms are embedded directly into the page content, providing a more subtle approach and seamless user experience. Consider your website's style and what would be least disruptive to your visitor's experience and choose accordingly. Once you've made your selection, you'll need to enter a form name. This is crucial for organizational purposes, especially if you plan to manage multiple forms later on. Once you've entered a suitable name, click Create. With the form's foundation now set, we move on to the exciting part: customization. This is where you get to explore different design elements within the app's interface, personalize the form to align with your website's aesthetic, and tailor it to meet your precise needs. Whether it's adjusting color schemes, adding relevant fields, or setting up automatic responses, customization is your chance to ensure the form fits perfectly within your site's environment and functionality goals. Remember, this part is not just about how it looks, but also about prioritizing user-friendliness. Once you've customized your form to your liking and you're satisfied with how it looks and functions, don't forget the all-important step of saving your work. Saving your customized form ensures that all your hard work is not lost, and that your form is ready to be published and go live. And that's it. You've successfully created a form on your homepage. It's all about following these steps, and with practice, it becomes second nature. Thanks for watching, and happy form creating.